Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to do something that I've been wanting to do for ages, just because when it comes to me cleaning my wheels, especially because they're white, because there's a lot of dirt behind the spokes and in the actual rim itself, I'm trying to dry the wheels and it's pulling all the dirt onto the white again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a very deep clean on the wheels today and pop a little bit of protection on them as well, why not? Before I start today though, I really want to say thank you to all of you that are following me on social media as well when it comes to things like Instagram. Instagram's really the main thing I use, where it's completely unlocked and everybody can see all the photos I upload. If you want to keep up to date with what I'm doing, especially before a video comes out, because obviously it's a lot easier to upload a picture of something than edit a full video and upload that, so I try and keep people updated on things that's going off on there. So if you want a little sneak peek on things to come, your best bet is to check on the Instagram account. And the reason why I want to say thank you is because it is pretty much the first time since I started that account years and years ago that I now have more followers than people I'm following, and that's, like I said, never happened since I started Instagram. So I just want to thank you all for the support. If you're not on Instagram, like I said, you could be missing out on things to come. If you've just found the channel through Instagram, thank you as well. But where have you been? Just stay and enjoy, please. Don't go. So guys, to get as easy access as possible to the wheels, I'm going to be taking them off the car. So to do that, we're going to be cracking open and first using the well, I'm going to call it the FN Lou Jack, just because look at the colour theme. It's just made to be, it just is. Plus my dad's let me have some of these jack stands, which is something that I really needed, so yet again, red. So let's get the car up. I'm going to do 2 wheels at a time, just for speed. Take 2 off, bring them back onto here and give them a good wash. Sorry guys, I had to put this on because it is absolutely freezing now. Anyway, as you can see, the wheels are absolutely loppy inside and out. So we're doing the wheels first before we clean the car, because it's a common rule, clean your wheels first and then move on to the bodywork, so you're not cleaning the wheels and spraying all the crap up the car once you've cleaned it. I'm also going to do the inside of the wheels first because they're the dirtiest, and then we can finish on the outside and get all them nice and white as well. So first I'm just going to give a quick rinse, get all the loose dirt off, and then we'll crack on. Right guys, before we start, I'm going to show you quickly what I'm going to be using for this whole process, basically. So if you like the results and you want to do the same, you know what stuff to get. So one thing I need to mention first, I said I was going to do a video comparing different wheel cleaners and things like that. I'm literally going to just cram all that into about 10-20 seconds, so you know my opinions on them. Demon wheels, don't get it. Don't get it. It's crap. It's not powerful enough at all for anything. It's just hard work trying to get it to work. Meguiar's Hot Rims Wheel and Tyre. This is good stuff. It works. It works on your tyres. If you get a good brush on them for cleaning them, brilliant. And it works really well on your wheels. Only thing is, I found there's a little pamphlet, like leaflet in the back of here. Read it. Not good for painted wheels. Too powerful, too abrasive. So painted wheels, forget it. I don't like throwing things. What I use at the minute is this. God, it's a dirty container, sorry. I use Autoglim Clean Wheels. I find it's like halfway in the middle. It's not very abrasive, I've noticed, so it doesn't like melt off as harshly as the Meguiar's stuff does. Obviously that's for tyres as well, so it is quite abrasive. Not abrasive, it is quite heavy duty. and the Demon wheels just doesn't hardly shift it. This is a really nice one to use, especially with the brush that I'll be using for the face of the wheels, which is these Valet Pro detailing brushes. Absolutely brilliant. I love this brush. Not harsh at all, it's full plastic, and it's just nice to just agitate all the dirt off it without being abrasive at all to the paint. I've been waiting ages to do this video because I've been waiting for this to come, and it is Auto Finesse Iron Out. I'm using so many different brands, it's unreal. But I'm going to be using this only on the inside of the wheel because this is obviously quite heavy duty. It's to remove any iron, any brake dust, anything that's building up on the wheels. I don't want to use this on the white paint just because it's going to just be too harsh for it. So I'm going to use it on the inside. I'm also going to use it on the inside of the wheel well as well. So we're going to use that for that. For that as well, because obviously it's a more abrasive thing, a lot more to get off. As you can see, there's plenty of build up in there. I'm going to be using this brush. I did use these for my wheels originally, but it's a more aggressive brush, and especially with the Valet Pro one now, I don't really need it unless I'm doing something like this. Rubber surround all the way around, plastic brush. Very cheap, Alfred's. And to finish it off, I'm going to dry it up with some microfibers, and because I don't really have any wheel wax or wheel protection yet, I'm going to be using, just quickly have something, at least for now, the Auto Glim wheel protector. I do love this. People don't like it because the wheels still get dirty, but if you look at how the wheels get dirty, it's a different kind of dirty. It's sat on the wheels, it's not sat in the wheels, if you know what I mean. It's like you can see it blotching on the surface. As soon as you rinse it, most of the time it comes off, and I really do rely on it, especially when it comes to keeping the wheels white instead of them turning cream when they get dirty. So I can't fault it for something quick. Definitely good. Where am I grabbing all these from? I've literally just bought one of these, and it's literally a kitchen caddy that I got from Aldi, and it's brilliant. I'm sick of using things and then like placing them on the floor. That's dirty, it's dirty. So I put all my tools in one side, all my microfibers in the other side. Gotta need a bigger tripod because my back's killing. And then I got a pack of 3 baskets, only need 1 at the minute, and all I do is I chuck my microfibers in that instead of letting them touch the ground. Right, let's do the iron out first. So with this, apply it generously everywhere you want to get it, let it react. It should turn purple with all the dirt that's going to be in there, then you rinse it off. That's basically what it says. I might use the brush to agitate it even more, just because I'm that kind of guy. And I'm agitating. So I'll show you the design of these. It's pretty cool, the thing. On the squirt bottle you've got this little nib here, and you turn that to the side, whichever side you prefer, left-handed or right-handed. That opens the spray, put it back straight, closes it. Plus it's got that little, oh good at focus thing, it's got like little notches for it to sit in. So whichever's best for you. Cool design. I love functional and nice aesthetic design. That is awesome. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a little bit to the brush, just so that the brush has got the product on it already, nice and ready, and then get a scrub. Well, they still do obviously look dirty on camera, but I can't explain how much cleaner they actually are compared to what they were like. It's so much cleaner. Bear in mind this has got years worth of grime in it, and it's just took most of it out. That's a good product. Thumbs up to Auto Finesse for that. Right guys, so I've turned them around now. I've rinsed down the fronts. There's still some dirt on there, but obviously it's going to be easier to come off since we put the protector on before. I mean, you can even see, if you look closely, there's still like bits of beading left from where I've had the protector on before. Bear in mind, I haven't washed this car this year. I have not washed this car this year. So that protector really does do something. I'm not gonna lie, it does work. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the Autoglim Clean Wheels wheel cleaner on there, leave that to sit for a minute, and then agitate it with the soft brush and rinse that off, and I'll show you the results. Okay, now they are completely rinsed, I'm just going to give them a quick dry with the microfibers. Sorry guys, I didn't really finish this video off, so I'm just going to do the end of that now. Thank you so much for watching and sitting through that. I hope it's been helpful for you. If you're one of those people that's been watching it and been like, oh my god, why are you doing that, don't do that, or you've completely missed this step, tell me in the comments, say, because nobody gets it perfect, especially if you're doing it first time. I'm doing it on my own. I'm literally trying to base it on research. There's things I'm learning whilst doing it first time with things, and then knowing for next time, right, I'm going to do that differently. So yeah, please like and subscribe if you are enjoying the videos, and click that little bell button so it lets you know when a new video comes up. And until next time guys, like I always say, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Hello again guys. What's that? Hello, go.